Hold the buffs, hold your flash waves. Well, look at 3, look at 3, look at 3, look. One, sorry, one.
Oh, he's on the other side.
Look at flash waving towards 1, look at flash waving towards 1 in 3, 2, 1. Roll flash waving towards 1, flash waving towards 1, flash waving towards 1.
I think I can make it out. Maybe.
Holy shit. Alright. Let me turn down Wasabi. Very loud. Okay, we're charging in 3, we're gonna go in for free, we're coming in for free,
Did you put the pin down? Oh, Satter's on the other side. Oh, he's coming.
Yeah. We're all pushing in the back in 3, 2, 1, we're pushing A5, we're gonna be standing on A5 now, we're gonna be standing A5.
On pin.
Yeah, grapple's faster, I'm going A3. Just come in and go left. Second you grapple up, go left in A5. Make sure you're buffing up.
I didn't get the...
I'll walk into A1 now, It's a lot of DPS on A1. Look behind the pillars,
So laggy. Might have to turn stream off.
Look behind the pillars on A1 and A5. A1 now, look A1, we're clashing A1, Look at flash driving in 3, 2, 1, flash driving to whatever clump you can, just flash driving to the clump, sir. Try and turn it wherever you can, We're trying to take the A1, Just shoving into A1, we're just shoving into A1.
Oh no.
You're playing
No. You can't save me there.
Make sure you're using the pillars.
In a big clump you can't save it, so not your fault. We need to find a RG point.
We're just harassing the back, we're harassing 1.
Satter's gonna die.
Everybody's pushing A1 now, everybody's pushing one. Look to the right, look to the right now, look to the right of A1, There's a big group on the right, I'm gonna put temporary pin down real quick. Look at ping 7, We're all gonna shove into ping 7 in 3, 2, 1, we're all shoving into ping 7, all into ping 7, we're gonna flash shove in ping 7 in 3, 2, 1, we're all flash shoving ping 7, all flash shove ping 7 please. A lot of them on 7,
Where are you guys?
We're just fighting on 7, everybody we need to be on 7 here, ignore 1 and 5, let the Japanese deal with 1 and 5, we're dealing with 7.
No idea where Sat is.
We're fighting on 7, sir. I'm just gonna save someone. What's HP on XF?
20% now.
Yep. On one. We're on 1. Slipping.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, you guys sandwiched.
Nobody else is here.
We're trying to hold A1 still.
Holy shit. Yeah.
Left gate and 5.
I'm gonna stay in safe zone for a bit.
Guppy's pushing in. Let me check fellas. Roger's still holding A1. A1.
Yeah.
Excavator 5% off.
Yeah, tell us that.
Boss is about to die.
Alright, we're just gonna go for the thingy. We're gonna int for the summon gates. We're going for the summon gates now. Look at the summon gates. Look at summon. 3, 2, 1. We're pushing in. Pushing in. Look at A5, A1. Look at the pillars. Just turn it as you're walking in. Alright, flash waves wherever you can. Flash waves into whatever clump you can see. You can have everywhere. This room.
Didn't get much there.
Look behind 7, the pillars on 7, there's a lot behind the pillars.
Oh, this is where I die.
Look at 7, we're still holding 7, I've got some good. There is some game coming back in on 7. I'm back in on 7. Look at some gate. It's gonna be pan 7 now. It's in safe zone now. So show back up. We're all taking this 7. Grapple straight up from summon gate. Look at RG pin real quick here. Look at ping 8. We're just gonna be holding ping 8 for a second. We're gonna hit when we RG, we're gonna drop on ping 8.
Oh, sleeping, you already in? We're outside waiting for you.
Alright, all pushing in 3, 2, 1. We're pushing in. We're buffing up. We're all buffing up. We're going in.
Yeah, on
Tornado
Saturday.
as we're walking in.
I see a clump.
Alright, we're all flash shoving this big choke here on 7 in 3, 2, 1. We're all flash shoving now. Walk them down. Focus on the DPS though. Ignore these tanks to the front. Just go right to the back. Towards A5. All the DPS on A5. Well, A1, sorry. A1 now. We walked to A1.
Oh my god.
Right to the back. Look at the back. All the DPS in the back. We say this something again. Come straight back in. Straight back into the fight from 8. Look at A1. There's still a lot of DPS at A1. Yeah, Talos is dead. We should buff him back up. Buff should be up. Turn it as you're walking back in, please. Look at A1. There's a lot on A1 where you need to keep turning around. Alright, we're all pushing in 3, 2, 1. We're all shoving in. Look at A1. Look at one. We're all walking towards 1. Flash wave and turn it as you're walking, please.
On Saturday.
We're all walking back. Just focus the DPS. Alright, we're all walking to A1 already. Again, we're pushing in 3, 2, 1. We're all walking to 1. We're all walking to 1. We're all walking to 1. We're gonna flash shift into 1 in 3, 2, 1. We're all flash shifting into 1. We're all flash shifting into 1. All flash shifting into 1 then. Big push in 1. Big push in 1. Big push in 1. Taking the grapple in. Taking the grapple up.
Oh, it's over.
That was interesting. Did Mitch just like completely skip peace though? I thought they did.